Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can stop notification from Facebook and your Gmail or any other email services. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open Facebook. Now at right bottom side, you will go to your profile menu. At right top corner, you can see the search and the settings icon. Now in here, click on settings. Go down here and search for notifications. Click on this. Then go down here and you will see where you receive notification, and here you will see email. Click on this. By default, it will be required notification. These settings will affect the notification that other admin receive. Then click on all. So all the notification you received to your email or Gmail will be pop up here. If you want comment notification on your email, enable this. If you do not want the email notification, just disable all this. By these, just disable these one. I only want the pages you manage, so I only get notification about my pages. So after this, another way which is I'm not recommending that, click on Gmail or email, for example, and type here facebook.com. So all the messages from the Facebook will be pop up here. Then click on the message. In here, click on unsubscribe. It will be directed to Facebook, but I'm not recommending that. This is not the best practice because someone attack on your Facebook account and you will not receive any email from them. So this is not a recommended way. The recommended way is go to notification, and all the notification you want to your email, just enable these options. If you do not want anything, just disable all these options and you will not receive any email from Facebook anymore. So this was a quick video how you can disable or enable notification from Facebook and to your Gmail or any other email. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.